Hi dear students, welcome to the fourth session of index number. So, under that index number we discussed in the first session. So, what is the index number, what is the meaning of index number, what are the uses of index number. In the second session, what are the methods of index number, and in the third session, so we work out various problems on various methods of index numbers. Under that simple aggregate method, we work out some 6 to 7 problems, and a simple what is that simple average of a price relative index method, we work out some 5 to 6 problems, and the third method that is call it as so simple average price index relatives methods. Under that to calculate so arithmetic mean of index numbers and geometric mean of index numbers. So, here price index of 2004, by taking 1999 as a base year. So, here 99 as a base year, that is nothing but P0. So, I asked to calculate for the index value for the year 2004, that is nothing but P1 current year. So, here the index value for the calculation of AM method and GM method, arithmetic mean method and geometric mean method. So, commodities are given, commodity is A, B, C, D, E, F. So, 6 type of commodities are given. Then after that, so price in 1999 and price in 2004. So, price in 1999 is nothing but P0, price in 1999 is P0. So, price in 2004 is nothing but P1. So, this is the solution, this is the problem is given based on the solution. This type of question it can be raised for the case study question, it can be raised the question for the case study for 20 marks, 10 plus 10, that is A plus case study A and B, 2 question can be raised for 10 marks, or sometimes it can be had one more BDN for 20 marks. Geometric mean arithmetic mean of index number, geometric mean of index number, and median method of index number, that can be for 20 marks directly it can be raised. So, here solution calculation of what is that simple average of a price relatives index number, index value. Under this to take the commodity, so commodity that is A, B, C, D, E, F, 2, 4, 6, 6 items are there. Now, n equals 6. So, take the P0 nothing but price in the year 1999. So, P1 that is the year 2004. So, P0 is 60, 50, 60, 50, 25 and 20. Now, price in 2004, 80, 60, 72, 75, 37.5, 1 by 2 nothing but 0.5 and 30. So, take the total of these, that is sigma P0. Sigma P0 is it can be take the total, and sigma P1 take the total. Then after that, to calculate what is P value, P nothing but sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 into 100. Now, total of this 110, 170, 120, 120, 220, 220, 260, 265. Now, here 0.5, 0.5 you 354.5. 354.5. Now calculate the p value, price relatives, that is taking a p1 divided by p0. So, p0 divided by q0. So, p0 is 80 divided by 60 into 100, 80 divided by 60 into 100, that is 133.33, 133.33. Then 60 divided by 50 into 100, that is 120. 72 divided by 60 into 100, 120. 75 divided by 50 into 100, that is 150, Then 37.5 divided by 25 equals 150, and 30 divided by 20 into 100 equals 150. So, sigma p equals so 0.33 3 5 10 22 so 823.33. Now calculate, the calculation of number 1. So arithmetic mean of index number, index value, that is p01 equals what is the sigma p divided by n, So that is sigma p is 823.33 divided by n is 6, equals 6 equals 137.22, 137.22 under arithmetic mean. Number 2, under geometric mean. So p0 under geometric mean of index number, p01 equals antilog of sigma log p divided by n, sigma. So antilog of sigma log p divided by n. Now here antilog has to calculate, log p is calculated, log p has to calculated, log p is, so 133.33 of log, that is 2.12, log of 133.33, log of 120 2.07, log of 120 2.07, and log of 150 2.17, 2.17. So total of log p, that is sigma log p equals 12.77. Now geometric mean of index number, antilog of log p divided by n. So now antilog of sigma log p equals 12.77 divided by n is 6, So antilog of 10.77 10.77 10.77 divided by 6, 10 point 10.77 divided by 6 equals 1.795. So, antilog of this 1.7 1.7. So, antilog of this we will get so 1 equals to 10 to the power of 2, that is 100 and 137 120. So 143.25. This is approximately to calculate antilog of this using calculator. Now, so this is the solution for this. So, using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Now, this is 103.92, 103.92 based on 1.79 antilog of 1.795. So, this is the solution for various, that is under what is that arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So, here see, construct by simple average price index relatives methods under arithmetic mean and geometric mean method. The price index of 2004 taking 2009 taking 99 as the base year. So, commodity 6 commodities are given. So, price in 1999, price in 2004, that is the base year is P0, current year is P1 2004. So, is given a values 60, 50, 60, 50, 25 and 20 for 6 commodities as the base year. Current year 80, 60, 72, 75, 37.5 and 30. So, summation of current base year price is 120 265 and current year price is 354.5. So, based on that to calculate a geometric mean of index value, geometric mean of index value equals P naught 1 equals sigma P divided by n. Sigma P nothing but so we already calculated P1 divided by P0 into 100. So, that is, so we calculated for individual year, individual commodity. So, P1 that is P1 80 divided by P0, that is 60, 80 divided by 60 into 100, 80 divided by 60 into 100, 133.33. Like that, commodity B 60 divided by 50, 60 divided by 50 into 100 equals 120. For commodity C 70 divided by 60 into 100, 120. commodity D 75 divided by 50, 75 divided by 50 into 100, 150. The 37.5 divided by 25, 37.5 divided by 25 into 100, 150. Then 30 divided by 20 into 100, 150. So, I have to take the total of this summation of P value, that is 823.33. P1 value, summation of P1 is the 354.5. So, P0, summation of P0 is 265. So, based on that it can be calculated. Now, arithmetic mean of index P01 equals to sigma P divided by n. Sigma P nothing but P0 divided by P1 divided by P0 into 100. So, that is evaluated. So, 823.33 divided by n, n is equals to 6, that is 823.33 divided by 6, 137.22, that is arithmetic mean index number. So, geometric mean of index number. So, the formula for geometric mean of index number is P01 equals anti-log of summation of log P divided by n. So, log P is calculated, P is there, log P is there. So, log P is calculated for individual prices, then summation of log P is 12.77 divided by n, n is the number of commodities or number of items is 6. Now, here some error is there, some mistake is there. So, this is 12.77 divided by 6 nothing but, so 12.77 divided by 6 is nothing but 0. What is that 2.128. So, anti-log of this, so it will change, that is, so anti-log of 1.28 or 2.128, that is 123.26, so that is P01 according to the geometric mean. So, according to arithmetic mean 137.22 of index number, and according to geometric mean is 123.26. So, thank you. We are going to discuss some other problem in the next session.